It's time to start putting some accessories on Junior's machine. Okay, so we've got a lot to do. We're gonna start, we got a winch, brush guard, corner guards. Got to put the signature lights in. So since we got so much to do up on the front with the lights and everything else, it's actually going to be easier just to pull the whole front end off. So that's what this video is going to be about, is removing the front end of this machine. First thing is remove this centerpiece. You just kind of grab it right here, pull up on it, and it pops off. Make sure that all of the little clips stayed in place so you don't lose any of those little clips. Set this to the side. And we are going to remove, I believe it's this one on both sides. And there's this one, this one, this one, and over here. These two bolts right here that are basically the other end of these bars. And if we can see them, there's two bolts right there, and then we're going to have to undo the bumper bars right here. T40 and T30, I hope, because that's what we got. I think these are 13 millimeter. That's the plan. We're just going to pop this whole thing off. And the long ass ones go on the side.
On the sides. And that one's held on by like 2 threads.
Nice. And don't forget the one that tail. Okay, so because these are going to be under like a lot of tension when you loosen these bottom ones up, so it's best to loosen these up just a little bit. Just a little bit, huh?
Now they're still threaded, but they've got wiggle room top to bottom, so.
Okay. All right, so the next fun stuff is those big ones down there. Okay, so I'll just take these out the rest of the way. Yeah, I didn't do this when I did my machine, and I should have. It was a pain in the ass. Mm-hmm. And I think one of the harnesses goes to the light. And I'm gonna go out on a limb and say it's that one. So you just need to unplug that one.
Just like that, Joe.
Oh, so the gray slides out. That's what jams it in there, huh? Oh.
Just like that. See?
Alrighty then.
Knew I was on something.
Okay, so I think, oh, no, we gotta do these. Don't forget about these. These are at, yeah.
Oh, are those the big ones?
No, they're 30s, I think. I think that's it. Okay, so the very last thing, reach up underneath right here and pop that off. Just pull it straight out.
This camera?
Mm-hmm. Yep. And now it should just lift off. Grab it by the bumpers and
Grab a little horn. Oh, we're still hooked. Hey. Hey.
just like that, set her down on something soft. Boom. So that's how the front end comes off. Yeah, at the very last minute there was the harness was, the little zip tie was clipped to right here. So once we just unclip that, then it all comes off. So as you can see, taking the front end off is not difficult at all. That was the first time we've ever done it. It took 5 minutes,
Yeah.
maybe.
Easy.
So yeah, any major front end work to the machine, that's by far the easiest way to do it. Also helps you can clean it out from underneath there and everything else. So yeah, the only difference would be is if you just had the brush guard, it would be clamped to the bumper, so that would come off. But if you had the brush guard and the corner protectors, you would have to disconnect those two from each other to get it apart. But yeah, easy peasy. Thanks for watching.